Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So friend, here is a big update coming from TCS Phase 2 hiring exam, which is conducted in the month of November, as I already discussed this line. Okay, in their official notification that TCS will again hiring for the Phase 2 hiring. Now after completing your IRC and DRC exam, now TCS starts sending for the actual exam. Okay, so this particular exam, most of the students having lots of doubt. I will try to solve all your doubts. Please watch video till the end so that you can clear all your doubts. Okay, so let's get started for this video. Okay, so friend, you will receive this type of mail. Okay, I'm just showing the mail. Okay, this type of mail you will receive if you applied for the TCS Phase 2 campus hiring. Okay, TCS off campus view your exam schedule and login details for actual exam 14th November. Okay, this time this mail coming from the TCS Ion Hub, which is connected, which is a platform for the TCS NQT exam. Okay, date is 13th November. Okay, here you can see, thank you for applying for TCS off campus. Our detailed email for you to read through and comprehensively understand how to participate in the TCS off campus online protected assessment test. Basically, you have to just click on 10 minutes before of this link, and after clicking on the link, your username is CTT number and your password is your phone number. Just click and give your exam. So this is not a hard to give the exam. Okay, this is very simple steps. You can easily go through all the details. But before that, try to disable all your antivirus and your notification and close all your application in background which is running. And also don't use any type of any desk software. Just uninstall this, and this is very basic. Okay, when you are completed your IRC DRC, you should know this line of things what I'm trying to telling you. Okay, so point number one is that, sir, waiting for interview mail, result, offer letter. Sir, should I write this Phase 2 exam or not? Okay, so it's totally depends upon you. If you are writing this exam, if you want to write this exam, then you can write. Otherwise, you can leave the exam, because it will not harm or it will not create a problem in your Phase 1 hiring. Let's suppose your TR and MR are completed. Okay, and you are waiting for the HR mail. Okay, and let's suppose you are completed HR also and you are waiting for the offer letter. Sir, should I write the exam? I will definitely tell you that please don't write the exam. You are waiting for the HR result. Okay, and TRMR result. Okay, which is already teachers already discussed, they will hire in Phase 2 hiring. Okay, that's why. So both will hiring you, both the exam you can write, but I will suggest the only candidates who can write the exam is only who still not got any updates or got any selection mail after writing Phase 1 exam. Who's who is still waiting for their Phase 1, right? After writing the Phase 1 exam, they can write the exam. Okay, in Phase 2 after and before all after that, in rest of the students who are already given TRMR and HR and waiting for offer letter, joining letter, please don't write this exam. Okay, if you are waiting for your TR and MR, it's I will again again telling you this line. If you want to write, then you can write the exam, but I will suggest if you are waiting for your TRMR HR result, then no need to write this exam. Okay, and if you are still waiting for your selection mail, then do write this exam. Okay, if you received a selection mail, then just wait for the TCS interview mail. Okay, you will receive. If you got a selection mail and a batched option, then you I think आपको लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है? अगर आप लोग वेट कर रहे हो आफ्टर गेटिंग सिलेक्शन मेल, सर ऑलरेडी मुझे 24 अक्टूबर को मेरे पास आया था, 23 अक्टूबर को मेरे पास आया सिलेक्शन मेल, स्टिल नॉट गॉट एनी TR and MR इंटरव्यू मेल, देन you will receive, don't worry. Okay, and after that, sir, can I write this exam? I will suggest don't write this exam. If you want, you can write, but I will personally suggest no need to write the exam, because you already cleared the Phase 1 exam, na? That's what I'm telling. If you want to write then you can write the exam. Don't worry, it will not create any problem, because Phase 1 and Phase 2 both are different. Okay, Phase 2 in TCS Phase 2 they will mainly focus on the digital role. Okay, and Phase 1 they mainly focus on ninja role. That's why I'm telling this line. Okay, बिकॉज राइट नाउ TCS हायरिंग मोड ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स. माई मेरे जितने सब्सक्राइबर फ्रेंड, ज़्यादातर जिन्होंने भी इंटरव्यू दिया था उसमें से अभी तक किसी को भी रिजेक्शन नहीं आया है, ज़्यादातर लोगों को सिलेक्शन मिले देखने को आया. तो राइट नाउ TCS हायरिंग इन बल्क. ओके, सो वेटिंग फॉर द इंटरव्यू मेल एंड रिजल्ट. शुड आई राइट एग्जाम? आई विल सजेस्ट डोंट राइट द एग्जाम. ओके, आफ्टर गेटिंग सिलेक्शन मेल, इफ यू आर स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर TR and MR, देन जस्ट वेट फॉर द TR and MR इंटरव्यू मेल. एंड आप लिख सकते हो जब तक कि आप लोग अगर Phase 1 का एग्जाम देने के बाद कोई भी मेल नहीं आया तब लिख सकते हो. लेकिन अगर आपका सिलेक्शन मेल आ गया है तो यू शुड वेट. received phase 2 exam link, is this create any problem in current status? No, because both are different hiring. Okay, so I think I discuss all your queries in this particular video. If you still have any doubt, do comment down in my comment section. मिलते हैं जय हिंद, जय भारत.